Hey guys, I'm Nidhi and today I'm going to talk about why you need a clarifying hair care routine. Whether you are battling product buildup, a dry scalp, or just looking to refresh your locks, this routine will make all the difference. Before we begin, subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. Now, let's talk about clarifying routines and who needs them. A clarifying routine is essentially a deep cleansing method for your hair and scalp. It helps remove all the buildup from excess oils, styling products, and impurities, leaving your hair feeling fresh and clean. So, who needs it? If you're someone who regularly uses styling products, deals with hard water, or struggles with scalp issues like dandruff or itching, then a clarifying routine is definitely for you. Okay, let's get into the routine. Starting with the first step, using a scalp serum. If you're dealing with dryness, fungal infections, or even just an oily scalp, Love Beauty and Planet's Scalp Serum is a game changer. Packed with purifying tea tree extracts, it works wonders by clearing out impurities and excess oil. Plus, it's got rosemary extract to keep fungal growth at bay and refreshing peppermint oil to give your scalp a little pick-me-up. In the morning, I jump into the shower and give my hair a thorough rinse. Then, I treat my hair to a much needed detox with Love Beauty and Planet's Purifying Shampoo. Enriched with natural tea tree oil, which is known for its anti-dandruff properties, this shampoo refreshes my scalp and keeps it flake-free. Plus, it also has scents of peppermint, vetiver essential oil, and 100% organic coconut oil. This clarifying shampoo leaves my locks feeling incredibly soft, hydrated, and nourished. Since clarifying shampoos can be a tad drying for the length of your hair, using a conditioner is essential to preserve its natural moisture balance. I highly suggest the Dove Dry Scalp Conditioner. It's designed to nourish your hair at a cellular level and contains no harsh chemicals like sulfates or parabens. Plus, it's enriched with niacinamide to relieve dryness and keep your scalp and hair healthy. Now, clarifying products, as I mentioned, might dry out your hair. So to be extra cautious, you can also consider trying out the Tresemme Smoothing Mask. It contains keratin and marula oil that tames frizz for up to 3 days, enhancing the natural movement of your hair. Additionally, you can also use the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Serum. Infused with the goodness of argan oil, this serum ensures long-lasting vibrancy and shine. And there you have it, a complete guide to building your very own clarifying hair care routine. Do try it out. Time for me to go. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. Bye!